Hey guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I'm just studying a property that we've completed on. I've been round, I've created a schedule of works, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the property, show you a few of the items that we'll be doing as part of the refurb. So yeah, I'll just spin the camera around. I'm on the first floor at the moment, in the main bedroom. Sorry if that's making you a little bit dizzy. In here we're going to be taking away them two lights, stripping back the wallpaper, and then we're going to paint the whole room. It's a good sized room, is this, big double bedroom. I think if there's money, once I've gone over the numbers, if there's money in the budget, we're going to be replacing this carpet. It just feels really thin under my feet, and I've got a feeling there's no there's no underlay underneath. I'm going to reseal around the windows, just make them look nice and fresh and new. Yeah, just try and give the room a nice new appeal really. So I'll move on. This next room is the third bedroom. It's quite a small room. I think in here we're going to end up stripping off the wallpapers and painting the full room. I'm going to obviously paint over the blue. That's the boxing above the staircase. So yeah, once the paper's off, we'll be painting the full room. As it's a bit of a textured paper, I don't know if you can see on here, we're not going to be able to fill any of the marks and the blemishes. So yeah, it's just going to have to come off and get that painted. Now I'll take you into the second bedroom. This room's in quite good condition. All we really need to do is touch up on some of the walls. It doesn't really need a full paint. They look okay as they are. Probably going to remove that cupboard. Seems a bit flimsy and rickety. And again, reseal around the windows. It can, the windowsills and the seals can just totally change the appearance of the windows, and they're quite newish UPVC windows. So by sealing them, maybe painting the sills, it just freshens the window up, makes everything look nice and new. So this is the bathroom, as you can tell. So in here we're just going to reseal. As you can see down there, they just look old and a bit worse for wear. So we're going to reseal around the base of the toilet and the sink. There's a bit of sealing to do on the bath. Just looks a bit dirty and maybe mouldy down there. Just freshens the room up again. We'll be replacing the shower curtain rail, replacing this grill. As you can see, it's looking a bit rusty. Probably get rid of them baskets, they look a bit rusty. Maybe polish up the towel rails. So yeah, that's about it in here. So we'll now go downstairs. On the stairs we're just going to repaint all the way down. It's quite a big task, but with the colour it is and with the blemishes on the wall, it'd be too difficult to fill and get a colour match. So for ease, it's just going to be fill and paint the lot. Paint them a nice neutral colour so it's kind of appealing to everybody. So we now go into the lounge. As you can see, it's a nice big lounge. There's not a lot to do in here. Probably just touching up some of the walls. I don't think it needs a full repaint. There's a bit of anti-mold treatment down there that we're going to look at. I've had a look outside, the brickwork and the pointing looks fine. I'm going to get a second opinion off our build team. So yeah, that's pretty much it in that room. There's a little bit more work to do in the kitchen, but nothing major. I'm going to paint the two end walls. As you can see, there's some marks along there. Nothing major. Paint that end wall, and then on the other two walls, as you can see, there's some marks. So this one's just going to end up being a full repaint. And then just a bit of minor, say, maintenance issues. Fix that cupboard door back, replace the damaged socket. That's something that would get pulled up on the electrical condition report anyway, so we'll have to do that. That's going to get replaced, and we're going to have to make that more accessible. We now need dual RCD consumer units, so like I say, that'll be getting replaced by our electrician. Just show you the rear garden. This just needs tidying up. It's a good sized garden, fantastic for a family, but we're just going to get rid of all the weeds, cut all the grass down, make that look nice and appealing. It's not often we come across properties with a garden, never mind a garden that big, so I want to make the most of that. So that's the house. As you can see, it's a decent sized place. Walking around and having a feel around the place, it's a good solid build. Just needs kind of bringing up to a lettable standard, really. Like I say, a bit of touching up here and there. Nothing major. So the refurb should take maybe 2 weeks maximum. I'm going to push for this one to be done in under a week, but our time scale is 2 weeks, and then it'll be off to the letting agent. Hopefully get the tenants in within 4 weeks after that. So yeah, that's the property. If you want to know any more about the property or find out what it is exactly that we do, feel free to get in touch with myself or one of the team. So that's all. I'll see you again soon, guys.